Out to this, nearly 30 years after a jury found them guilty of killing their parents. The Menendez brothers are set to appear in court together, and this all comes as a new district attorney is about to take office, potentially delaying their case out in California. NBC's Liz Kreutz has more on the case.
Nearly 3 decades after the Menendez brothers were convicted of killing their parents, Jose and Kitty, for the first time in years, Eric and Lyle will be back in front of a judge, joining virtually in court today as they make their case for resentencing and release.
No one believes us.
Interest in the brothers' story skyrocketing after the release of multiple series and documentaries about the 1989 murders. Eric and Lyle's attorneys now arguing new evidence proves their claims they acted in self-defense after years of sexual abuse by their father, something they testified about during their first trial in 1993.
Did you cry?
Yes.
Were you scared?
Very.
But to this day, the original prosecutor telling Dateline their alleged abuse doesn't justify murder.
The law doesn't allow them to kill their father, even if he was a child abuser. And it certainly doesn't allow them to kill their mother.
The outgoing DA says Eric and Lyle are rehabilitated men, citing their volunteer work in prison and their personal lives as husbands. Although last week, Lyle's wife of 20 years announced they have been separated and shut down rumors of an affair on Facebook, writing, "This is not a cheating scandal," and that she is forever committed to the enduring fight for their freedom. While Eric's stepdaughter posting that the brothers are two separate individuals and that she'd appreciate it if people would consider my dad for who he is and not based on the actions of someone else.
How much do you think these stories about who they are behind bars, their personal lives?
The one way that it could matter for the court is when it comes down to Eric and Lyle's credibility.
Is it possible that one of the brothers could get a resentence, not the other?
It is possible.
An attorney for the Menendez brothers has acknowledged that possibility. Today's procedural hearing will set the stage for the brothers' key hearing next month, scheduled 9 days after Los Angeles' incoming district attorney takes office and begins reviewing whether to recommend resentencing.
You need to do that extensive review of the facts and the law. Menendezes get no special treatment. They will get equal treatment.